Hi. With MRPeasy, it is possible to categorize workers into departments according to their organizational structure or according to their skills. When scheduling, the production operations can be assigned to departments instead of workers. As a result, all workers part of a department can see all open operations that are assigned to the department. This functionality greatly facilitates both human resources planning and assigning reporting of production operations to workers, as they can see all operations in their departments. This function is extra useful when there are several workers with a certain skill set, and it's not necessary or possible to assign a specific worker up front. Once a worker starts an operation, he or she will be saved for the operation, and others will not see it any longer, unless several workers are required. Setting default departments for workstations or operations. Default departments can be set for operations in product routing by choosing departments instead of specific workers. Also, it's possible to assign default departments to specific workstations where the department is always automatically assigned to operations scheduled for this workstation. In this case, the department could even represent the group of workers who are permitted to operate a specific workstation or machine. The Settings, Human Resources, Planning section shows an overview of required workers by department for each day according to the current production schedule. The report considers that one worker can only perform one operation at any one particular time and calculates the total number of workers needed for a given department each day. Setting up the departments. The various departments can be defined at Settings, Human Resources, Departments. A department could represent a physical department, or it could represent your worker's skill matrix. One worker can be part of several departments, which can all be selected in the user's details. In this video, we demonstrated how the department's functionality works in MRPeasy. To learn more about the functionality of MRPeasy, please see our other videos. Thanks for watching.